This I like. Travel gear to make your journeys smoother, smarter, and a whole lot more fun. Today, let's look at some must-have travel devices that can revolutionize the way you explore the world. Before we get into it, remember to like, subscribe, and check out the links in the description where you can find them. Ever lost your luggage at the airport and felt like it vanished into a black hole? Enter Apple AirTags. These tiny trackers are like magically carrying peace of mind around in a small device. Just slip one into your suitcase, sync it with your Find My app, and voila, your bag's location is just a tap away. No more playing hide and seek with your luggage while everyone else heads off to enjoy their trip. The precision tracking feature uses the U1 chip and ultra-wideband technology, making it easier to find your belongings even in the busiest places. Plus, if your keys decide to play hide and seek too, AirTags have got you covered. Attach one to your keys and finding them becomes a breeze. You can even use it on your pet's collars because, let's face it, Fido might want to explore new places too. Who knew losing things could be so high-tech? Next up, for all you aerial photography enthusiasts, meet the DJI Mini 4 Pro. This ultra-portable drone fits right into your backpack and captures breathtaking 4K footage at 60 frames per second. Whether you're hiking in the mountains, exploring hidden waterfalls, or chilling at the beach, this drone will make your Instagram feed the envy of all your friends. Imagine capturing those epic travel moments from a bird's eye view, making every shot look like it came straight out of a travel magazine. And did I mention it's foldable, so it's easy to carry around, just unfold, fly, and film. With its impressive 34-minute flight time and advanced obstacle avoidance technology, you can focus on capturing stunning footage without worrying about crashes or short flights. The DJI Mini 4 Pro turns every adventure into a cinematic experience, letting you relive those memories in glorious 4K resolution. Ever been on a flight with a crying baby and wished for a mute button? Say hello to the Bose Quiet Comfort headphones. With industry-leading noise cancellation, you'll feel like you're in your own private concert hall. These headphones use a combination of active noise canceling and passive noise reduction techniques to drown out the chaos around you. Whether you're on a long-haul flight, a noisy train, or just trying to find some peace in the bustling city, these headphones will transport you to your personal sound sanctuary. They're comfy for long wear with plush ear cushions that make you forget you're even wearing them and have a battery life of up to 24 hours. So the only thing you'll hear is your favorite playlist or podcast. Oh, and with the adjustable EQ and high fidelity audio, that means they sound great. Enter the Duracell M150. This 1.8-pound battery bank not only gives your laptop a full charge and your phone 6 charges, but its tiltable lid props your phone up perfectly for hands-free calls or Netflix marathons. Need better lighting? The 360-degree ring light has your back, ensuring you always look your best, even in the dimmest corner of your favorite cafe. Tired of the cord chaos? The M150's built-in cord storage keeps everything neat and tidy, so you can focus on sipping your espresso instead of untangling cables. With 2 USB-C and 2 USB-A ports, plus a speedy recharge time, it's like having a mini power station in your bag. And the best part, it's safe for your carry-on, making it the perfect travel buddy for those long-haul flights. So next time you're jet-setting around the globe, this just might be what you need to keep your devices charged and your adventures uninterrupted. Photography buffs, the Sony Alpha 7C camera is your perfect travel companion. This compact, full-frame mirrorless camera packs professional-grade performance into a lightweight body. Weighing just 509 grams, it's one of the smallest and lightest full-frame cameras available. Whether you're capturing the hustle and bustle of city streets or the serene beauty of nature, the Alpha 7C delivers stunning 24.2 megapixel images with incredible detail and color accuracy. Its advanced autofocus system with 693 phase detection points ensures you never miss a moment, and the 4K video capabilities make it ideal for vloggers and filmmakers on the go. And with its compact size, it won't weigh you down, making it perfect for any adventure. Who knew pro-level photography could be so portable? For the adventurers at heart, the GoPro Hero 11 Black is a must-have. This waterproof action camera captures stunning 5.3K video at 60 frames per second and boasts hyper-smooth 4.0 stabilization for shake-free footage. No matter how wild your adventures get, whether you're diving into the ocean, skiing down a mountain, or biking through rugged trails, the Hero 11 Black is built to handle it all. Its rugged design means it can withstand the elements, and its versatile mounts lets you attach it to almost anything, allowing you to record all your wild and questionable life choices. The Hero 11 Black also features a new front display, making it easier than ever to frame your shots and take selfies. With its enhanced low light performance and improved battery life, you'll be ready to capture every moment, day or night. This TSA-compliant wonder is your perfect travel sidekick, featuring a handy luggage strap that makes it an absolute carry-on dream. No need to unpack your tech at security, this bag is TSA ready. With over 20 innovative features, it's packed with pockets designed for your shoes, liquids, tech, and more. There's even a dedicated laptop compartment that's both padded and secure, perfect for those precious electronics. You'll never have to play guess which pocket again, with compartments so intuitively organized that even a scatterbrain would find peace. Need a stylish business backpack? Check. A functional backpack? Double check. This aesthetic masterpiece transitions seamlessly from a professional setting to a casual day out. Made from durable, water-resistant materials, it's engineered to withstand the rigors of travel while keeping your belongings safe from both the elements and would-be thieves. It even boasts anti-theft features like lockable zippers and hidden pockets to ensure your gear stays secure. Book lovers, meet your new best friend, the Kindle Paperwhite 2024 edition. This waterproof e-reader with adjustable warm light and a larger 6.8-inch display is perfect for reading your favorite books while traveling. Whether you're lounging on a beach, waiting at the airport, or winding down after a day of exploring, the Kindle Paperwhite lets you carry an entire library in one compact device. Its glare-free screen makes reading in bright sunlight a joy, and with weeks of battery life, you won't have to worry about charging it often. Imagine diving into a gripping novel or learning something new from a fascinating book no matter where you are. And with access to millions of books, including bestsellers and hidden gems, you'll never run out of reading material, so go ahead, get lost in a good book, and let your travels take you on a literary journey. Imagine having a personal coach, navigator, and health guru all strapped to your wrist. Enter the Garmin Forerunner 955, the ultimate smartwatch for fitness enthusiasts and adventure seekers. With its always-on, full-color display that's easy to read even in direct sunlight, you can check your stats with a mere glance, whether you're running in the park or exploring dense forest trails. It's waterproof, so go ahead and dive into your training without a second thought. Battery anxiety? Not with the Forerunner 955. Enjoy up to 15 days of battery life in smartwatch mode, giving you a comprehensive picture of your health from sleep to training. Need GPS? You get up to 42 hours in GPS mode and a whopping 80 hours in Ultra Track mode. Navigate with ease using either traditional button controls or the new responsive touchscreen, perfect for swiping through maps and stats mid-run. Lost in the urban jungle or dense woods? The Forerunner 955 has you covered with full-color, built-in mapping, and access to multiple global navigation satellite systems. It even improves accuracy in challenging environments where GNSS signals are weak or reflected. From the moment you wake up, get a training readiness score based on your sleep quality, recovery, and training. The Race widget provides training tips, personalized workouts, and race predictions based on course details and weather. Track your health with new indicators like HRV status, recent exercise history, and performance metrics. Know if you're training productively, peaking, or need to dial it back. Each morning, the Forerunner 955 greets you with a customized morning report detailing your sleep, recovery, training readiness, and weather. Meet the Rove R2 4K Dashcam, your new co-pilot that records everything in stunning 4K Ultra HD, so sharp you'll think a Hollywood pro shot your commute. With its super night vision technology featuring a 6-glass lens, f1.5 aperture, and Sony IMX335 sensor, even the darkest alleys look like daylight. Built-in Wi-Fi 6 lets you transfer footage to your smartphone at lightning speeds, perfect for sharing your epic road trip or that hilarious parking fail on social media. The GPS tracks your every move, recording location and speed, so you can relive your journey on Google Maps, packed with high-tech features like a supercapacitor, 150-degree wide-angle lens, G-sensor, and parking mode. This dash cam ensures you never miss a moment. It supports up to a 512GB micro SD card, so you won't run out of space. Say hello to the LifeStraw Go series, your ultimate sidekick for clean hydration on the go. This BPA-free bottle is like having a portable water purification plant in your backpack, ready to filter out the nasties, whether you're filling up at a sketchy airport bathroom, a tap in Mexico, or a roadside gas station. It doesn't just make water safe, it makes it tasty too, with a carbon filter that reduces chlorine, odors, and organic chemical matter. The real magic lies in its membrane microfilter, which kicks out 99.999999% of bacteria, including E. coli and Salmonella, 99.999% of parasites like Giardia and Cryptosporidium, and 99.999% of microplastics, sand, dirt, and cloudiness. This superhero filter lasts up to 1,000 gallons, that's about 5 years of daily use, while the carbon filter goes strong for up to 26 gallons, or about 2 months. By using the LifeStraw Go, you're not just saving your stomach from nasty surprises, you're also keeping 8,000 single-use plastic bottles out of our parks, oceans, and communities. It's like doing a solid for yourself and the planet, one sip at a time. We hope you enjoyed a look at these incredible innovations. Which one did you like the most? Drop a comment below and tell us what you think, and you can check out the links in the description where you can find them. Thanks for tuning into This I Like, and remember, you I Like too.